हेलो माय क्यूट लेडीज एंड स्वीट जेंटलमैन। मैं आशा कर रही हूँ कि आप लोग ठीक हो और आपके ये रिएक्टर तो बिल्कुल ठीक है। विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, किसी भी टाइम को बिना वेस्ट किए, लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो। आज मैं जिस ग्रुप पे रिएक्ट करने वाली हूँ उसका नाम है इलिट। इफ आई एम नॉट प्रोनाउंसिंग इट राइट, सो टेल मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। आई होप आई एम प्रोनाउंसिंग इट राइट। दिस इज माय फर्स्ट टाइम हियरिंग their song like this. I did hear their viral songs, but I am not, that much of aware of their presence and stuff. So let's see what kind of song they're gonna bring and if I will vibe with it or not. So the song name is Sunday Morning, and let's see. But I think it's gonna be some cute vibe because the other songs which I heard are kind of, cutesy. They are so gorgeous. Is it in Japanese? I think this is a Japanese song from them. Oh, I don't know what kind of vibe I'm getting with this because I'm not that much of a Japanese song listener. Oh, this is very different. I never saw these type of concept. Like Sunday morning. It's not bad, but I think the way I'm not used to hearing Japanese songs, I don't know what to say about it. I'm kind of, shocked. I love this step. This is cute. This is kind of cute. The teddy bear is cute. Like, I want to know the ages of the member though. Tell me their ages, who is the McNay and who is the leader, so I can hear more of their songs. And the group is, this girl is so beautiful. She's so beautiful. She's so beautiful. Oh, it's kind of baking concept, I think. They are literally baking and making cute stuff, pancakes, teddy pancakes. Oh, oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is cute. The whole cute. This song is giving me the cutie vibe. Oh, it's not bad, but it's not like hyper vocally or any kind of song. It's just more kind of, tuning and trendy kind of, Japanese vibe that you get from animes. Because I do watch Japanese animes and kind of BLs from Japan, but I'm not that much fan of their music. So, does this group have any Japanese members? So, if they do tell me. For the sweetness of falling in love. They are so cute, and the glitters on their face is so, vibrant. I'm loving it. Now it's turning into a high school concept, I think. I have to say, they are so cute. Like the whole, vibe of this video is cute. Following the winds and falling. Ah, the song is so short. Sunday morning. So yeah, this is the whole song, and I'm kind of confused with the concept because first of all, I'm not that used to of hearing Japanese songs, and this is my first time hearing like the song like this because I always see their songs in trend and stuff, but I didn't saw the members that much or was not involved with this group that much. But I think I love their cuteness, their glittery vibe, their whole concept because it's kind of unique. It's not giving baddies, it's not giving, rock and pop, but it's giving cute, whimsy, and magical and fairy tale kind of things. I literally loved it. So I think I should hear more of their songs. So recommend me their songs if you want me to hear and react on them. So please recommend me their songs I can react and hear. And please like to the video if you love my reaction. I'm always true to my reactions. I never fake my reaction. So I'm sorry if I offend anybody. And please subscribe to the channel, share the video, and comment if you want me to react on anything. I will try to do it. And bye bye baby. I love you all.